Hey y'all, thanks for joining me. In today's video, we're talking about something very important: how hiking and spending time in nature can have a huge impact on your mental health. But here's a key point. You don't always need to hit the trail to feel the benefits of the outdoors. Research shows that spending time in nature helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Natural settings provide a sense of calm that can't be found in busy urban environments. In fact, studies have shown that even looking at pictures of nature can improve your mood and lower your stress levels. If you can't get outside, why not bring nature into your home? There are tons of virtual hikes on YouTube or guided nature soundtracks that you can listen to. Research even suggests that listening to nature sounds like birds chirping or waves crashing can help reduce anxiety and improve concentration. Another way to connect with nature at home is through journaling. Sketching landscapes, writing down your hiking goals, or even documenting your feeling about outdoor adventures can help you reconnect with the outdoors mentally, even when you're physically at home. Bring nature into your home by filling the space with indoor plants. Studies show that simply caring for plants can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Plus, they make your environment feel more connected to the natural world. So if you can't get to a full hike, try taking a short local walk in nature. Even a 20-minute walk in the park can have significant mental health benefits. It's all about getting your body moving and connecting with the outdoors, even in small ways. Hiking in nature don't just nourish our bodies, they're vital for our mental well-being. So when you can't make it to the trail, remember that there are plenty of ways to reap the benefits of nature from the comfort of your home. What are some of your ways to relax and recharge? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.